Let us understand the step-by-step process of preparing a quantity-wise work order in StrategicERP. For an activity-wise work order, navigate to the Requisition for Services form under the Contractor's Management module. Select all project info such as project name, subproject, group and basis of measurement. If project activities is selected as a group, activity details will be fetched automatically from WBS activities. If different groups are selected from the item group master, the system will auto-fetch activity details from the D-list of WBS activities. Select the work order type. For separate material and labor rates, choose labor with material. Select service work order type in case of common rate and labor only for a single labor. Select the process type. In case of direct work order, enter the contractor's name manually. For a comparative statement, enter the submission due date and add multiple contractors under the Contractor list tab. Select the activity group IDs and enter activity codes as percentage. Work order details will be fetched automatically based on your selection. The estimated quantity, rate and amount will be auto-fetched from resources. Click Add to enter the balance in the work order quantity. To book a partial quantity, manually enter the work order quantity. You can also select the due date for submitting the quotation. If no activity details are available, leave activity group IDs and activity codes blank and select a group from the item group master. Select the description if you have added an item master under service master or equipment. If item master is not added, manually enter the unit, description, and work order quantity. In this case, the estimated quantity will not be auto-fetched. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. In case the process type is a comparative statement, navigate to the Comparison Quantity-wise form under the Contractor's Management module. Search for an entry. You can view all entries in the No Update or Draft stage. Select an entry and details will get fetched automatically under the Work Order Details tab. Enter details as required. You can also add tax or TDS details if applicable. Add any remarks if applicable. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. Once an entry is approved, the system will automatically reject other entries in the comparative statement. The approved entry will be auto-created as a draft in the work order quantity-wise form. The details will be fetched automatically from the comparison quantity-wise form. Enter the payment days, subject and GST number if applicable. You can also enter other tax details such as retention percentage under the Tax and Payments tab. Select the Terms group name under the Terms and Conditions tab if applicable. Click on Save and your data will be saved successfully. The process of preparing a quantity-wise work order is now complete.